Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life, and please viewers also pray for me. I hope you are watching my latest video. So guys, it is over today. I bring some special beautiful crochet dishcloth free ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. The patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful. Some are round shape, some are square shape, granny square pattern. Most demanding crochet collection. Very nice. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification of all of my videos and latest ideas. Very nice, beautiful pattern. Most demanding crochet collection. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet dishcloth free ideas. Very nice. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz.